Hi kids, I'm still at the creek and now I'm at my special spot. It's right here down by the creek. It's actually where one little creek connects to a larger creek. And do you see the little bridge over there? That was a railway bridge. But it is quiet here and often I see all kinds of wildlife and it's just really beautiful. And I wanted to share it with you. You know, this week was Earth Day, and I'm wondering if you guys did anything to celebrate Earth Day. I bet you did. I think I saw some pictures that you drew. What do you think about Earth Day? Earth Day reminds me that God created this incredibly beautiful world. And Earth Day reminds me that the whole world is holy and special. And I think about all the stories Jesus told. He told all kinds of stories about that involved aspects of nature. Stories with rocks and branches, with fruit and logs and seeds, goats and sheep, all kinds of different stories. And he used these stories because nature teaches us so much about ourselves and about God. That's interesting, isn't it? How does nature teach us about ourselves and about God? Well, when I'm sitting beside this creek, sometimes the water is very still, and sometimes it's rushing and bubbling and gurgling. And the water makes me relax and it lets all my worries and all my stress, I can just let it flow away with the current. Or the calm waters make me feel calm inside and peaceful. And when I'm quiet, I can listen to God talking to me and speaking to my heart. That is what nature and creation does when I'm in it and when I'm amazed by it and when I take time to observe it. Like I was just walking just now and I saw this. Let's see if I can show you. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a print of a deer footprint. And when I walk around right now, I see all kinds of life sprouting from the ground. There are all kinds of plants growing, and soon these plants are going to be very big. But right now, they're just small. Earth Day also reminds me that our job as people is to take care of the earth, take care of God's creation, just like God takes care of us. And so one of the things that I like to do in order to take care of the earth is picking up garbage when I'm walking. So I go for a walk and I just bring a garbage bag and then I pick up all kinds of interesting and gross garbage that I see along this creek. So far this year, I have seen a bag full of rotten potatoes, diapers, and I just so happen to have a big garbage bag full of garbage right here. And let's just dump it out and see what's inside. I find lots and lots of plastic. I should be wearing gloves, but I'm going to wash my hands. I found a water bottle, and it looks like something was chewing on it. I wonder what that was. Maybe a coyote. And I found some hubcaps with some bullet holes in. Isn't that cool? Not cool that they left it lying around. So I picked it up and I'm gonna put it in the garbage. And I guess there's like a snowshoe handle. All these things that float down the river when the water is high. What do you like to do to help the earth stay clean and healthy and beautiful? I would like to know. So you can also post your answers on our new Facebook um, group that your parents can help you find. I can't wait to hear how you are taking care of the earth, and I can't wait to see your pictures of your special spot. Love you guys. Bye.